The Georgia Standards of Excellence, Phonics and Word Recognition. Know and apply grade level phonics and word analysis skills in decoding words. Saxon Phonics, Review Lesson 139, Doubling Rule. I can statement. I can identify when to use the doubling rule. This week, we're looking back on everything we've learned about phonics and reviewing it so that we can be sure we use all of our knowledge to make us better readers and writers. Look at this word. What do you see at the end? You see the suffix ing, ing. If ing is the suffix, what is the root word? Sit. Is this how we spell sit? No. This word has an extra T. The T has doubled because we are using the double rule. What is the root word? You see, shop. Is this vowel suffix or consonant suffix? The suffix is a vowel because the suffix begins with a vowel. Let's look at what is happening. We start with the root word shop. The plus sign tells us to add suffix ed. What do you notice in the new word that is formed? The P was doubled before adding the suffix. Let's look at another example to see if something similar happened. We start with the root word run. The plus sign tells us to add suffix y. What do you notice in the new word that is formed? The N was doubled before adding the suffix. In each of these words, the consonant was doubled before the suffix was added. This is called the doubling rule. When a vowel suffix is added to a root word that ends with one vowel and one consonant, and the final syllable of the word is accented, the final consonant is doubled before adding the suffix. A root word will get a check mark if it ends with one vowel and one consonant, and the final syllable is accented. The suffix will get a check mark if it is a vowel suffix. Look at the word shop. Does the word end with one vowel and one consonant? Yes. Is the word accented? Yes. How do we know? All one-syllable words are accented. This means you can put a check mark over the word. Next, we're adding a vowel suffix. Yes. This means we can put a check mark over the vowel suffix. Whenever we have two check marks, it tells us we should double the last consonant before adding the suffix. Now, it's your turn to demonstrate what you have learned. Pull out your journals or a piece of paper, or you can apply your answers on Microsoft Form. Next, head your paper with your name and today's date. Number your paper from 1 through 6. Directions. Use the doubling rule to make new words. Now read the new words out loud. Today and every day, remember, when the final syllable of a word is accented and ends with one vowel and one consonant, double the final consonant before adding a vowel suffix. As in sitting, shopped, runny.